In this video, I am going to provide you with the YouTube TV channels list for 2025. First, let's start with the basics. YouTube TV offers a diverse selection of channels, making it a great option for various viewing preferences. Some of the main networks included in the YouTube TV package are ABC, CBS, NBC, and FOX, giving you access to popular broadcast channels. For sports enthusiasts, YouTube TV features channels like ESPN, ESPN2, NBC Sports Network, and NFL Network, ensuring you don't miss any live sports action. If you enjoy news, you'll find channels such as CNN, MSNBC, and FOXNEWS included in the lineup. For entertainment, YouTube TV offers channels like AMC, FX, HGTV, and TNT, providing a wide range of shows and movies. Additionally, YouTube TV has various add-ons available, allowing you to customize your channel lineup further. Premium networks such as HBO, Showtime, and Starz can be added for an additional fee, giving you access to their exclusive content. As of 2025, YouTube TV continues to expand its channel offerings, so you may also find newer networks joining the platform. With unlimited cloud DVR storage, you can record your favorite shows and watch them later at your convenience. In summary, YouTube TV offers a robust channel lineup for 2025, covering sports, news, and entertainment, making it an excellent choice for cord cutters looking for a comprehensive streaming service. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.